Thanksgiving is here, and if you're tired of the same dry turkey every year, I've got something bold, juicy, and full of flavor for you. Welcome back to Cook with Busy. Today, I'll be showing you how to make delicious, spicy, juicy, smothered turkey wings, which is perfect for your Thanksgiving dinner. For the seasoning, feel free to pause the video to see the list of ingredients. But the key thing is to be as generous as possible. For me, I like spicy food, so I'm going in heavy with spice. Massage the spices evenly into the wings, making sure every piece is coated with flavor. As an optional step, you can allow it to marinate for like 30 minutes to 1 hour, but this is purely optional. You can just bake as it is. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. At this stage, you want to add your chopped onions, your bell peppers, and for me, like I said, I'm extra when it comes to spice, so I'm also going to be adding scotch bonnet into the mix. Additionally, we need butter, lemon, just to get a lot of flavor into the wings. Feel free to play with spices that you love at this stage. Add some water and cover with foil paper and bake for like 50 minutes to 1 hour.
Hey Siri, set an alarm for 1 hour.
You want to baste at the 1 hour mark and also scoop out some of the juice which you will be using for the smothered sauce. While the wings are baking, let's make our smothered sauce. Start by melting 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter in a pan. Next, sprinkle in a tablespoon or 2 of corn flour and stir to form a smooth paste. Slowly pour about half cup of turkey wings or chicken broth and stir continuously until the sauce thickens and becomes glossy. This rich sauce will coat the wings beautifully. Just like that, your baked smothered turkey wings are ready. Just look at this beauty. You can decide to garnish with fresh onions or herbs if you like, but for me, I'm just gonna be having it the way it is. Just look at how the meat is falling off the bone. It's so juicy and tender. This is the part I love the most, the QA. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.